Namaste children. Welcome back to our English class, class 6. Today we are going to see a supplementary reader from unit 1. Our lesson name is Auli, written by Vijaya Ghosh. Auli. This lesson related a owl. There are 150 kinds of owl children. Do you like owl? ஆந்தை. உங்களுக்கு ஆந்தை பிடிக்குமா? We won't. Okay, I think it is a hunter bird and our parents, maybe our forefathers said it's a bad symbol. Okay. And a group of owls called parliament. Owlets can rotate its neck to 70 degrees. It can't shake its eyeballs. If you want to see other objects, it wants to turn its head. Okay. Here in this lesson, an owl is there. Shall we see how the owl is? Yes. Mom, Payal yelled in panic. Owlie is gone. Owlie is gone. Mom, Payal is the name of the girl. Yelled in panic. Owlie is gone. Where would she have gone, Payal? Her mother said crossly. She was right there, sleeping in her cage a little while ago. Where it is gone? Before a while ago. சின்ன கொஞ்ச நேரத்துக்கு முத பார்த்தேன். என்னது? owlet தூங்கிக்கிட்டு இருந்தது. But she is not there now. And Mom, the door to the garden is open. That got Payal's mother running into the room. Sure enough, there was no sign of Owlie. Owl name is Owlie, children. Okay, Owlie is the owl. See the picture in a book, page number 103. What is an owl doing in your house? You ask. Maybe you can ask. What is the role of the owl in their house? Maximum we want. Okay, owlet can't be a pet animal. Am I right? We can dog, parrot, and lovebirds. Sometimes cat also is a cow, sheep. இதெல்லாம் இருக்கலாம். But owlet. Payal's house was home of all kinds of creatures. Mainly abandoned. Abandoned means deserted. தனித்து விடப்பட்ட animals. People brought lost dogs, injured cats and baby birds that had fallen out of their cage to Payal's mother. It wasn't that they had a large farm or even a large house. It's just that everyone knew that Payal's mom had a big heart. But even in a household used to such unexpected visitors, Owlie's advent had been memorable. She had it just turn up one day carrying a carton. Carton means box. So, in their village, what happened? Deserted animals, deserted dogs, injured dogs, and baby birds fallen from the tree. People hand over to Payal's mother. They didn't have a big farm or anything, but Payal's mother had a big heart. அவங்களுக்கு மிகப்பெரிய என்ன இருக்கு? ஒரு இருதயம், மனசு, எல்லாத்தையும் அன்பா இருக்கணும், எல்லாத்தையும் பாதுகாக்கணும், எல்லாத்துக்கும் ஹெல்ப் பண்ணணுன்ற ஒரு எண்ணம். So one day they got a carton. Carton means box. Payal's mother opened the carton. There was the smallest of owlet. Owlet means young one of owl. Sitting in one corner, a small ball of brown and grey. Payal's mother picked her up gently and placed in her lap. Talking to her just as she would to the dogs. She had never handled owls before, so she was very careful not to get picked. When Owl got used to her, she seemed relaxed enough. Payal's mother placed her inside a cage. There were always empty cages in Payal's house, just in case a bird dropped in. The baby owl climbed on a rod and settled herself. So what happened? Payal's mother saw owlet in the box. Payal's mother took the owlet carefully and she placed it inside the cage. In their home, already they had lot of empty cages. The small owlet also settled in the cage. Mom, what shall we call her? Asked Payal, all excited. You choose a name, said her mother. Smiling, how about Owlie? Okay, how about Owlie? Asked Payal. The girl asked, how is Owlie? So Owlie it is. The name was settled. But there was a bigger problem. What does one feed on owl? So they decided Owlie is the name of the owlet. Another problem is what want to feed to that owl? என்ன இந்த owlக்கு கொடுக்கணும், சாப்பிட கொடுக்கணும். Owls are hunters. They eat rats and snakes and frogs. And in Payal's home, there were all vegetarian. Even the dogs also vegetarian. Payal's mother was totally anti-meat. Okay. But now that Owlie had come to stay, she had to get over her dislike for meat. That was another reason why that day was memorable. The day was memorable. It was the first day that meat was brought into the house. Payal got the number from her friend and called the meat shop to ask them to deliver 1/2 kilogram of minced meat to the house. Minced means நல்ல சின்ன சின்னதா வெட்டப்பட்ட நசுக்கப்பட்ட. How many kilogram? 1/2 kilogram of meat. So what happened? In Payal's home, all are vegetarian. Because of this Owlie, they bought 1/2 kg meat, curry. சமைக்கிறாங்கல, curry வாங்கி வச்சிருக்காங்க. Of course, next page children. Of course, Owlie didn't know what to do with it. She was just a baby. After all, if the mother owl had been there, she would have softened the meat and shoved it down Owlie's throat. Payal's mother decided she had to be mother owl. She picked up tiny bit of meat with her right hand and squeezed it up until it was soft. Then with her left hand she pressed open Owlie's beak and shoved the food down. In a second, Owlie fell off her perch onto the floor of the cage. She lay on her back on the floor of the cage with feet up in the air. So, they bought meat, but Owlie don't know. Okay, Owlie doesn't know how to eat because it is so small. So, now Owlie need its mother. But now Payal's mother decided to be an Owlie's mother. So she took the meat in her hand and squeezed, அமுக்கி தேய்ச்சி அதை நல்லா soften பண்ணி அந்த Owlieயோட பீக்க படிச்சு அது வாயில வச்சாங்க. What happened? Showed means to push along. வச்சு உள்ள தள்ளுறது, வாயில வச்சு. Suddenly the Owlie fall down and its body is in cage floor and her both leg is upwards. தலைகீழ அப்படியே படிச்சு கால்லாம் மேல போய் படுத்துருச்சு. Mom, Payal cried. You have killed her. Payal's mother was equally aghast. Oh, she said. Oh, what have I done? The poor little bird. After Payal and her mother had finished crying and hugging each other, they started talking bravely about where to bury Owlie. Then Owlie opened one eye and then the other. She got onto her feet and quietly climbed the perch. Now what happened? Owlie opened its eyes. So it didn't what? அது சாகல. அவங்க வச்ச உடனே கீழே படுத்துக்கிச்சு இல்லையா, படுத்ததை பார்த்து இறந்து போச்சுன்னு இவங்க எல்லாம் அழுதுட்டு எங்க போய் புதைக்கலாம் அப்படின்னு நினைக்கும் போது Owlie opened its eyes. Payal learned later that falling on her back and pretending to be dead was Owlie's way of defending herself against the danger. Okay, it's one kind of activity of an owl. Okay, pretending against the danger. ஒரு என்ன வந்தது, ஆபத்து வந்தா இறந்த மாதிரி நடிக்கிறது. Not the pious mother was a danger to Owlie, but the baby owl did not know that then. So that Owlie's first day at home. So first day went like that. In the beginning, Owlie had to be forced to eat. That was mom's job. But Owlie soon realized that if a hand came towards her, it meant food. Her mouth would open automatically and her beak would snap around what was offered. Only Owlie found it difficult to know when she was being offered food and would try to take it a bit out of any hand that came her way. That meant lots of bitten fingers for Payal and her mother. Okay. So then first they got struggle to feed Owlie. After that it was easy, but Owlie also now know to eat, but it won't eat if they give using finger means it won't eat, it won't bit that finger alone, it will bit in other fingers also. நல்லா சாப்பிட கத்துக்கிடுச்சு, கை உள்ள வந்தாலே சாப்பாடு தான் வருதுன்னு ஒரு எண்ணம் அது மனசுல உருவாச்சு. Reading up more about owls and their habit, Payal discovered that Owlie was spotted owlet. She had a typical grey brown coat, heavily spotted with white and pale face, yellow eyes and white neckband, which looked like a ribbon. Payal decided. Soon Payal took over the job of looking after Owlie. She saw that the cage was clean every day. She filled the water bowl. Once Owlie began to eat by herself, Payal too could feed her. She loved the way Owlie took a piece of raw meat from her hand. During the day, Payal kept the cage covered. Owls are night birds, so they slept during the day. At night, when owls are active, Payal took off the cover. They had decided that they would let Owlie fly away once she had grown bigger, but that means that she had to learn to fly. To do that, Owlie had to be in a closed room. So, after somewhat grown, Payal took the job to feed the Owlie and clean the cage and giving water. Then they decided Owlie want to fly. So it want to be keep in the closed room. Okay. After much discussion, Owlie's cage was shifted to the library. It was a lovely room with 2 doors, one which led to the rest of the house and other that opened into the garden. It was also Payal's favorite room. It had a tall bookshelf and she spent hours there, reading all kinds of books. Next page, children, page number 105. The bookshelf also had lots of little knickknacks. Her mother loved pretty things and displayed them here along with the books. So there were beautiful pieces of pottery, dolls from wherever they had traveled, and of course wooden and clay animals and birds from all around the world. So that library, that is not only a library. There they kept all the things. What are the things? They bought all over the world, all over the places where they go. Okay. So அந்த மாதிரி அவங்க எங்கெங்கெல்லாம் போனாங்களோ அங்கெல்லாம் வாங்கிட்டு வந்த குட்டி knickknacks, that means a small trivial article. Okay. சின்ன சின்ன விஷயங்கள், ஆர்னமெண்ட், அந்த மாதிரி குட்டி குட்டி அழகான கைவினை பொருட்கள் அதெல்லாம் வாங்கி வந்து வச்சிருந்தாங்க. Once Avli was moved to the library, strict rules were laid down for everyone in the house. The 2 doors were never to be left open, not at night, not in day. Every night, Payal would leave the cage door open and put the plate of mince meat on the top of the cage. This was so that when Avli flew out of her cage, she would also learn to find her food. So, after Avli was shifted, the family members decided you should not open the door, both door, or not only daytime, in night time, all the time it should be closed. Night time, what they did, they closed the door and they opened the cage. Then only Avli can come out and fly, and they keep their food out of their cage. Initially, Payal would shut the cage door every morning when she popped in to say hello to Avli before going to school. She would always find Avli on her perch inside the cage. Though the cage door was still open, but Payal knew Avli was flying because she found bits of meat all over the room. After some time, Payal stopped shutting the cage door even during day. After all, people seldom went into that room all day. Avli was always asleep, so there seemed little point. So, night time they opened the cage. During daytime they closed. But after some days they opened the cage. Avli started to fly. Every day when Payal came back from school, that first thing she did was to peep into the library. She will look into the library. Usually she would find Avli fast asleep on her perch, but today it was different. The cage was empty and there was no sign of Avli. And the door to the garden was open. Mom! Payal howled. So Payal shouted. What happened? Okay, daily அவ ஸ்கூலுக்கு போகும்போது வந்தோடனே என்ன பண்ணுவா? Avliயை தான் பாப்பா. Today, next ஸ்கூலுக்கு போயிட்டு வந்தோடனே கேஜ் வந்து எம்டியா இருக்கு, garden side door open ஆயிருக்கு, Avliயை காணோம். Who left the garden door open? How will we find Avli now? Don't panic, said Mom. She must be somewhere around. They shut the garden door and looked in every corner of the room, behind doors, on top of the tall bookshelf, in every nook and cranny. No Avli. What happened now? They closed the garden door and they searched each and every corner of the room, but no sign of Avli. Tears ran down Payal's cheeks. They had wanted Avli to fly away, but not so soon. She was still so small. After flying, they decided to leave Avli outside. Then only it can survive. But it is so small now. How would she hunt for her food? What if a knight or eagle swooped down on her? Finally, Mom said, well, now Avli has gone. We may as well leave the doors open and add to the roof. Wiping her tears, Payal threw open the doors to the Sorry, children. The room, wiping her tears, Payal threw open the doors to the room. She hoped secretly that Avli would come in if the doors were kept open. So Avli's mother said, no problem, Avli went. Hereafter we can open the door. But Payal think, what? If doors open, maybe Avli can come inside. She prayed also. அதை திறந்து வச்சிருந்ததுனால Avli வரணும்னு வேண்டிக்கிட்டா. Mom left the room to go to her afternoon errands. When she came back a couple of hours later, Payal was sitting gazing mournfully at Avli's cage. Why don't you find yourself a good book to read? Mom asked. She knew that reading a book was the only way Payal would cheer up. When Payal was sad, she always read. Okay, signed Payal. She started looking for a book she had not read. So mother came to Payal. Payal was so sad, so mother informed her to read book. It will give peace of mind. So Payal also decided to read, and she searched the book what she had not read. அவ எதை படிக்கலையோ அந்த புக்கை தேடுறா. She noticed a curio on her shelf that she had never noticed before. Hello, where did this one come from? She wondered. She noticed a curio. What is meant curio, children? Curio means அருங்கலைப் பொருள். ஒரு பதப்படுத்தப்பட்ட ஒரு மிருகமோ ஒரு பறவையோ இருக்கும் பாத்தியா, அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு பொருள் இருக்காங்க. she wondered. Okay, இது வரைக்கும் இதை நான் இங்க பார்த்ததே இல்லையே அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு she was about to pick it up when the curio opened eyes. She decided to pick it. போய் எடுக்கலாம் பண்ணும்போது அது சடனா அது கண்ணை திறந்துக்குச்சு. It was Owly pretending to be a curio. Okay, mom, what? Payal. What happened? It is a Owly only. காண தேனாங்க இல்லையா, Owly தான் அந்த மாதிரி நடிச்சிருக்கு. Okay, அத பாதுகாத்துக்கிறதுக்காக. She's back. Don't you ever give me a fright like that again. She scolded the owl as she put her back in her cage. Payal swore later that Owly winked back at her. She probably did. So என்னாச்சு, Owly வந்தோடனே அவளுக்கு ரொம்ப ஹாப்பி ஆயிடுச்சு. இனிமேல் இப்படி பண்ணாத அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு Owly மறுபடியும் கேஜ்ல போய் வச்சுட்டா. Who? Payal. Okay, so children, today we have seen the lesson Owly. இந்த கதையில பயலும் அவங்க அம்மாவும் ஒரு குட்டி அவுல் கண்டுபிடிக்கிறாங்க. அதுக்கு அவுலின்னு பேர் வைக்கிறாங்க. அதை அவங்க வீட்டுல வளர்க்குறாங்க. அதற்கு என்ன கொடுக்குறாங்க, மீட் கறியெல்லாம் பசிச்சு கொடுக்குறாங்க. அதை பறக்க வைக்கணும்னு அவங்க லைப்ரரியில போய் விட்டுறாங்க. டோரெல்லாம் க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிட்டு ஒரு நாள் அது காணாம போகுது. கொஞ்ச நேரம் கழிச்சு எங்க இருந்தது, அவங்க வீட்டு லைப்ரரியிலேயும் ஒரு இறந்தாப்புல ஒரு அசையாம ஸ்டாச்சு மாதிரி இருந்து கடைசியில முழிச்சுக்குச்சு. எதற்காக, அதுக்கு ஆபத்து வரும்போதெல்லாம் அது ஆபத்தா ஃபீல் பண்ணும் போதெல்லாம் அது அந்த மாதிரிதான் பண்ணும். கடைசியில பயல என்ன பண்ணாங்க, அந்த அவுளிய கண்டுபிடிச்சு ஹாப்பியா இருந்தாங்க. ஓகே, we also should love animals, children. எந்த ஒரு மிருகத்தையுமோ யாரையுமே நம்ம என்ன பண்ணக்கூடாது, புண்படுத்த கூடாது. நமக்கு பிடிக்காட்டி விட்டுறணுமே தவிர அதை எக்காந்த கொண்டு புண்படுத்த கூடாது. பயலோட அம்மா என்ன பண்றாங்க, எல்லா அனிமல்ஸ் மேலையும் என்ன பண்ணாங்க, அன்பா இருந்தாங்க. அவங்க நான்வெஜ்ஜே சாப்பிட்டது இல்லை, ஆனாலும் அவளுக்காக நான்வெஜ் வாங்கிட்டு வந்து அதை என்ன பண்ணாங்க, சின்ன பீஸா கட் பண்ணி அந்த அவளுக்கு கொடுத்தாங்க. அது ஒரு சேவை மனப்பான்மை. நம்மளால முடிஞ்ச அளவுக்கு எவ்வளவோ பண்ண முடியாட்டி கூட நம்ம எல்லாத்துக்கும் நல்லதே நினைக்கணும். ஓகே, now see, identify the character or speaker. Owly is gone. Who said these words, children? Payal. She opened one eye and the other. Owly. Don't panic. Payal's mother. Choose the correct answer from the options given. The owlet was brown and grey. In Payal's family, they were all vegetarian. Okay, all are vegetarian. Brown and grey. And the cage was shifted to the where, children? They shifted the cage? Library. Read the passage and answer the question. Passage comprehension. You want to read the passage and you should answer the question. Why did Payal and her mother want to bury Owly? Why, children? Because they thought Owly was dead. What did Owly do then? When Owly opened one eye and the other. What did Payal learn from Owly's pretense? Payal learned from Owly's pretense. It is a falling on her back and pretending to be dead was Owly's way. Okay. Then rearrange the following jumbled sentence. You want to do yourself, children. You can mark, but use of pencil you should mark. You should not use pen for any case. Okay. Okay, children, thank you. Read this passage, read this lesson. Daily you should read a page, and daily you should write a page. It will improve your vocabulary. So be safe, children. Thank you. Happy learning.